We're gonna compare the AutoTune EFX and the new AutoTune EFX Plus Pro, alright? And guys, right after this, whether you should go for the old version or the new version, this is super simple. Let's do this right after the intro. The name is Gosa once again, and still the solution carrier, providing solutions to your problems. Hit that subscribe button if you are new to this channel. Turn on the notification bell, like the video, leave a comment, I subscribed. Alright guys, we are in FL Studio, so we're gonna use this particular ad lib. What we're gonna do is to route this to the mixer track 1. Then over here you can see I've already sent the mixer track 1 to a reverb, and on this insert track 10 we have the Valhalla vintage reverb. Alright, that's pretty simple. Let's listen to this on our ad lib. Alright, next thing we're gonna do is to introduce AutoTune EFX, the old version. So now let's look at the features from this old version. It comes with the routine speed, the humanized knob. Then over here you can actually play around different effects. Alright, these are from popular producers, effect that gonna give you instant unique vocals. Alright, so you can click here and play around them. We're gonna try some of them. Then it also comes with this, and it also comes with this particular filter that you can play around. Then you can also set your key here. Alright, so let's delete that and reintroduce it again, AutoTune EFX. Alright, so the key for our ad lib is C minor. We're going to change the scale to minor. Now it's C minor. Alright, listen to that on our vocals. We're going to push the routine speed a little bit up, then humanize it a little bit. If you don't know how to use AutoTune, then watch the video that will pop up on the screen. Sound great. Alright, so this is AutoTune EFX old version. Now let's try some of the patches presets here. We're gonna try preset from Antares. Try this vocado preset. Listen. So this gives you instant unique vocals. Let's try this. You can also play with the filter here. That's crazy, right? Let's try some of them. The Jeff Runa presets. So if you want to create instant unique vocals, you can actually browse through this preset. I'm going to do a full video on how to use this particular plugin, so subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you not miss the video. So Antares released the latest version of this, which is AutoTune EFX Plus. I mean the pro version of what we saw. So we're going to turn off that and enable this one. Now guys, you can adjust the size of this particular AutoTune, and I really love it. So if you compare that let's put them side by side. Bring this one. Alright, so if you compare the Pro to the old version, let's detach this one too. Alright, so this is the old version and this is the Pro version. Guys, look at the difference. Look at the difference here. So this one comes with a, over here the input type, you can click on this learn button and this is gonna detect the input type for you automatically. They all comes with the routine speed and the humanized knob, super simple like that. Then this preset that you browse here in the latest version, all you need to do is to click here and you can also browse through any of these presets from Jeff Rona, Jess Jackson, then Antares. All these presets are here. Alright, then you can also add direct effects by clicking on this plus icons here. You can add tube, mutate, vocado, EQ, chorus, and even echo, compress the vocals using the new version. Alright, then it also comes with the filter a knob here. Then also, guys, you can also switch from EFX to the motion graphics as you saw here. To me, they are almost the same, just that the interface has changed a little bit. Alright, look at this. And that's what you're gonna get from here. You can also get the same thing from here. Alright, but the difference is this plus button that you can click and insert direct EQ or direct compressor on the vocals. That's why you're not gonna get it on the old version. Alright, that's pretty simple, guys. But these auto tunes are great. So now let's delete it and reintroduce it again like this. Set the key to C minor, push the routine speed, give it a little bit humanized, then listen. You can hear the tastes are almost the same. Over here we can click and add chorus like this, and you can control the amount of chorus by playing with this knob here. Alright, if you don't like it, all you need to do is to click on this button and that's gonna deactivate that. You can even turn off any filter that you don't like. So this is without any pitch and throat effect or breath. And as I said, with the Pro version of AutoTune EFX Plus, if you don't know the input type, all you need to do is to click on this learn button and you can see waiting. Then next thing you have to do is to play the vocals and this is gonna detect it for you. So watch here, predicting. So you can see it has detected soprano for us. Alright, so if you don't know what to choose or browse through this, all you need to do is to click on the learn button and that's gonna detect it for you. So now guys, now you know the difference between Antares AutoTune EFX and Antares AutoTune EFX Plus, I mean the Pro version. What are you going for? Leave a comment, let me know where you are watching me from. If this video helps you, give it a like. Now that you know the difference, then watch the next video to know how to create unique vocals using the EFX Plus plugin from Antares. See you in the next video. Stay blessed.